True. Would you mind running down to the transit station and bringing him back here?
Of course, Your Majesty. I'd be happy to go.
If she wasn't so busy with all these decorations. But don't worry, Rainbow King. I'll go get Wingo Clango.
Bingo Bango.
That's what I said. Ta-ta! This is my chance to hear Bingo Dingo's music before the party.
It was nice of Grizelda to go get Bingo Bango for us.
It was, wasn't it? Maybe a bit too nice.
On behalf of the Rainbow King, I bid you welcome Blingo Bongo.
Well, thank you.
Huh? What? No, not you.
Oh, how nice.
Fergie, stop!
Thanks, little doggy.
Oh, it's you. Finally.
Yep, the name is Bingo Bango.
Hello, Blingo Blongo.
Oh, it's Bingo Bango.
That's what I said. And I'm Grizelda. We're all excited to have you play your music at the Super Duper Dance Party.
Sweet. I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready for it.
Don't worry, when I'm dancing to your music, all eyes will be on me.
Oh, cool. I guess.
Now, let's go to my grand hall where I mean, we can practice.
You want it?
I want to hear what you've got.